Oh. Just be careful with your eye.
Hey.
Oh, he doesn't want to go. He really likes you.
I like him too.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I
Don't mind.
don't mind.
Oh,
What?
there it is.
There we go.
Okay. Now we're friends. Okay. Can you move it down a little bit? Oh, your claws hurt. Oh, your claws are sharp. They go right through my shirt. I don't like being bit by things.
Colin's just like so calm now. He's like, thank you.
Arr.
I know I lost my eye. Well, I know I don't need that to use my job.
If you
Put your arm down. Help
yes,
call out.
and he up.
Oh, hello.
He's gonna hit on
I don't
Andrew
like
now.
being bit. You take a picture with my phone.
Yes.
Thank you.
So like,
Oh, hello. Bonjour.
I hear him breathing.
I can hear him in my ear. Really? So that's what type of friend we are. Oh.
Oh.
oh
No, this is fine. We're just bro time. We're just hanging out together.
no. So funny.
I'm going for seconds.
So entertaining. This bird is just checking you out. Just like,
Gosh.
I'm gonna hurt my neck by
What a
punching so hard. Oh, that actually, wow, my neck's tense.
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna eat your
just
shirt.
Let me see one of your
your
gloves.
shirt.
Let me see your camera cloth. Yeah, there you go. Let me just put that on my ear. Now I won't get it. Now we're chill.
No, all is
he doesn't
well.
like it.
All is well.
Oh gosh.
He doesn't like the sock.
I'm sorry.
So fun. He's just like, oh god.
Cool.
Does he bite?
Yeah,
Yes.
a little bit. It doesn't hurt. It'll shock you.
Nope.
It'll like.
Oh my gosh.
Nope. Okay, no touching.
No?
No touching.
It doesn't hurt. It's just like, whoa, that's a bite. That's an animal biting me.
Surprise.
Just, he's gonna bite for a second.
Just come.
Nope.
Nope.
He doesn't want to hang out
Nope,
with you
don't
anymore.
come.
You were not nice to him. Ambria, take the wheel.
Oh, now you want to come? You want to come?
Oh, hello. You're on the back of my head. He's hiding behind my whole head. I can't. There he is.
Nope.
Hey.
Bonjour. His eyes like.
They like dilate so quickly.
Have you ever seen your reflection? I think you're pretty attractive, you know?
Oh my gosh.
Have you ever seen your reflection?
Take your head off.